Today we're going to do some simple math with Python. Let's start by creating a script. I'm going to use Vim as my video editor, as my text editor. You can use any text editor you'd like. I'm just going to call this file numbers.py. And we're going to start off, once again, as we always do, telling it where our environment is or what our environment is. In this case, it's Python. This just lets the computer know that you're writing a Python script, not a Bash script or some other language. And simple math is simple. Just do 2 plus 2 will add 2 plus 2 together. But to get it to display on the screen for user, in fact, I'll show you that that does not display anything. First thing we have to do here is make our script executable with changemod plus x and the name of our script. And then / the name of our script. See, nothing is displayed because even though it's calculating 2 plus 2, we have to tell it to print that to the screen. So print 2 plus 2, run our code again. No need to make it executable again because it's already executable. We got 4. If we want to make this a little clearer to our user, we can now add in quotations here 2 plus 2 equals, and then we'll put a comma here. So we're going to print on the screen 2 plus 2 equals, and then it will do the math of 2 plus 2. I will save and exit out of that, run our code again, and we got 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now, we can do other math as well. I will now add another line called print, and we will do 10 divided by 5. Let's do 10 divided by 2. Equals, and actually let's remove that space there, that was a little off earlier. And we'll do 10 divided by 2. We will save and run this script, and we got 2 plus 2 equals 4. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. We'll go a little bit more. I'll show you. Print, we'll say 5, and we'll put asterisk 2, or we'll do times 2. Looks a little bit better for the viewer, but the actual command to multiply would be 5 asterisk 2. We'll save and run that. So you can see 2 plus 2 equals 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. And obviously, subtraction works the same way. I want to move on to, let's, instead of dividing 10 by 2, let's divide it by 3 and see what happens. I know what's going to happen. Let's see what does happen, though. You can see that 10 divided by 10, or 10 divided by 3 here says it equals 3. It's because we are rounding. Python by default rounds, doesn't do decimals this way. In a future tutorial, I will show you how to do decimal stuff. So that's a quick look at math. Let's get into using variables a little bit if we'd like. We can do, let's just clear all this out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say x equals, and we'll say 20, and we'll say y equals 10, and then we'll do print x times y. Let's see what we get when we do that. Ta-da! It went through and did the math. So we're just saying variables here, x equals 20 and y equals 10. And we can also do other things. We can say x equals 10 divided by 2. So x actually equals 5 in this case, which makes it 100, because when we multiply 20 times 5, we get 100. So that's a quick look at math in Python. Thank you. Drew a blank there. Visit filmsbychris.com. Click on the Python link at the top of the page for more Python scripts like this. Have a great day.